My name is Ryoma Oshima, and my department is application department and manager. And Mazak Thailand already building the 10-year application department is three kind of job. One is training for customer, and second is cutting for customer, cutting material for customer, and third is all planning production to customer. We have to sell to customer our production machine. But if only machine sell to customer also cannot work. When using make the program, we recommend the customer is a Delcam, because Delcam Thailand is a very good support for us in Mazak Thailand. Some people say camera is very difficult, therefore everybody afraid. But Delcam Thailand is a very good support. After buy software, Delcam is support your production and support your cutting work.